Guys, this is not clickbait. I made over $200,000 using a Grok 3 trading script last night, while I was sleeping. And the best part? I don't even know how to code. Grok did all the work for me. If you want to do the same, stay till the end. I'll show you the exact step-by-step process. Before we begin, smash that like and subscribe button. Also, check out Coin Sniper. Link in the description. Now let's dive in. Recently, Twitter, X, announced Grok 3, an AI that's faster, smarter, and more powerful than ever. So I thought, why not use Grok to create a fully automated trading script that finds and buys the best memecoins before they explode? And guess what? It worked better than I expected. Let's break it down step by step. First, I needed my bot to scrape data from trending tokens across Dexscreener, GMGN, and viral Twitter memes. I gave Grok this prompt: using Python, create a web scraper to extract high-volume and trending tokens from GMGN, Dexscreener, and top memes on Twitter. Why? This helps us identify meme coins before they pump. Next, we analyzed Twitter hype because viral coins explode fast. I had Grok check Tweet Scout for each token's engagement score and top influencers. Prompt: write a code that retrieves the Tweet Scout score and top 10 influential supporters for a given token. Now I get instant alerts when big names are supporting a coin. The last thing you want is a rug pull, so I had Grok automate contract analysis using RugCheck. Now my bot avoids scams automatically. I also set up a custom filter to find low-cap gems before they blow up. Alert me if a token meets these criteria: age 1+ day, market cap less than $150,000, liquidity less than $100,000, volume less than $250,000, holders 250 to 500. Why? These low-cap gems can pump 1,000 times overnight. Now, instead of checking charts all day, I had Grok send alerts to my Telegram bot, create a script that instantly sends the CA of any qualifying token to my Toxi bot on Telegram. Now, I get real-time sniping alerts on my phone. Finally, I asked Grok to merge all scripts into one master trading bot, combine all previous codes into a single efficient script, and provide a step-by-step guide to run it on my PC. Then, I used Task Scheduler on Windows to make sure it runs 24/7, and that's it. The Grok 3 trading script is live. This is where it gets crazy. I went to sleep, woke up, and boom, profit. Over $200,000 in one night. And I didn't touch a single button. That's the power of AI-driven trading. Of course, this isn't financial advice. You should always do your own research, but if you use Grok the right way, you can automate your trades like a pro. Guys, this was just the beginning. AI-powered trading is the future of crypto. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Also, check out Coin Sniper, link in the description. I'll be back with more Grok trading strategies soon. See you in the next video.